students, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are reading how to solve simultaneous equations by elimination method. But before we start today's lesson, I must remind you something. In our previous class we defined simultaneous equations. We read methods of solving simultaneous equations. You know very well. They are elimination method, substitution method and graphical method. After that we define elimination method. Then after we solve some problems, I will say some very easy problems by elimination method. So today we are going to complete the same method, elimination method. So let us start today's item. Okay, in our previous class we did very simple problems. We solved very simple questions. Okay, today let us read this five. Okay, the first problem. The first equation we have x plus y equals to 7. Second equation 3x minus 2y equals to 11. Okay, let us solve it. The solution starts here. X plus y is equals to 7. Let us consider equation first. 3x minus 2y equals to 11. Equation second. Now let me remind you something. In our previous class we read, I have only said very simple problems. We solve the given two equations directly. And as you know, when we are solving simultaneous equations by elimination method, first either we eliminate x variable to find the value of y variable, or sometimes we eliminate y variable first to find the value of x. एउटा भेरिएबल हटाएर अर्को भेरिएबलको भ्यालु फाइन्ड गर्ने अनि त्यो भ्यालु निकालेर त्यो भ्यालुलाई कुनै इक्वेसनमा युज गरेर रिमेनिङ भेरिएबलको भ्यालु निकाल्ने आइडिया we read already. But we solve very simple problems. When we are eliminating variable x, we must make coefficients of x equal in both equations. When we are solving by eliminating y variable, we must make the coefficients of y equal in both equations. But in our previous class we did very simple problems where we solved the given two equations directly. We solve this type of problem. X plus y equals to 10, x minus y equals to 4. This type of problem we did. Because this type of problem very simple. But today, this time, okay, let us say, if we want to eliminate x variable, what is the coefficient of x in the first equation? 1. What is the coefficient of x in the second equation? 3. Are the coefficients of x equal? No. Can we write solving equations 1 and equation 2 directly? No. अब सीधे solve करना मिलेगा. क्यों ना पर coefficient same बनाना पड़ेगा. देखिए, if you want to eliminate y variable first, coefficient of y here 1, coefficient of y in the second equation we have, let's say 2, but here we have minus 2. Here 1, here 2 are not equal. Okay, if the coefficient of x are not equal, we can't write solving equations directly. It means we can't eliminate the variable x. Then if you want to solve by eliminating y variable, here 1, here 2, we can't eliminate. So the first thing, if you are eliminating x variable, make the coefficients of x same. If you want to solve by eliminating y variable, make the coefficients of y same. Okay, let us decide one thing. Let us solve here by eliminating y variable. Y here 1, here 2. Let us make the coefficients of y same. But my reason is, in some problems, if we do solve by eliminating x variable, solution becomes easier. In some problems, if we do solve by eliminating y variable, solution becomes easier. Okay, let us solve by eliminating y variable. What is the idea? First, make the coefficient of x, coefficient of y equal. X हटाउँदै छौ, x coefficient same बनाऊ, y हटाउँदै छौ, y coefficient same बनाऊ. छैन. अब we have one idea to make the coefficients equal. Okay, here in the second equation we have 2y. In the first equation we have y. Okay, if we make this term 2y, then 2y, yes, 2y, coefficient of y will be same. Okay, so it means to make this term 2y, it should be multiplied by 2. So my dear students, we should multiply equation first by 2. So do write multiplying equation first by 2. We get, okay, x plus y equals to 7. This is equation first. We are multiplying this by 2. Then it becomes, then the minus you can do x, y we can multiply equation first by 2. You know very well this equation, while solving equation, both sides can be multiplied by equal number, both sides can be divided by same number. We can add equal numbers on both sides. So we are using that concept. Listen, we have two sides. The left side we have x plus y. The right side we have 7. Guess what? In this equation, both sides can be multiplied by 2. It means we are multiplying both sides by the number 2. So this can be done. So we can ask why we are multiplying by 2. Sometimes we can multiply by other number also. Here we are multiplying by 2 because 2 make the coefficient of y same. So if you are solving by eliminating x variable, then here you should multiply equation first by 3. Then first one x like 3x now 3, it should be multiplied by 3. But here we are solving by eliminating y variable. So let us multiply this by 2. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times y, 2y equals to 2 times 7, 14. Do multiply left side with 2, right side also with 2. Let us consider this is equation third. Okay, we got one more equation, that is equation third. We got by multiplying equation first by 2. Then I am doing check. In equation second, we have one term 2y. In equation third, we have one term again 2y. That means in second equation 2y, in third equation 2y. So let us solve equation 2 and equation 3. So solving, my zoom दुईटा equation में y हटाउँदै छौं, y को coefficient सेम हो. कुन दुईटामा एउटा equation second मा एउटा equation third मा. So यो दुईटालाई solve गर्ने हो. Solving equation second and third. Equation second we have 3x minus 2y equals to 11. Third equation here we have 2x plus 2y equals to 14. Now here you should decide one more thing. Here is minus 2y, here is plus 2y. And this we have already talked in our previous class also. Minus 2y and plus 2y directly can be cancelled. If minus 2y plus 2y minus 2y plus 2y even they can be cancelled directly. इसको we should add. So minus 2y plus 2y cancelled equals to right side 11 plus 14. That is 25. Here we have 3x. Here we have 2x. Both are positive. Should be added 5x more. Y variable we eliminated. Y variable then let us solve it. X equals to 25 by 5. Then 5 is 25. Where x equals to 5. Then after this putting x equals to 5, we have first, second, third. 3 equations you can put anywhere. Zoom equation में रखना बनी मिलता. Okay, I put in equation first. We have x plus y is equals to 7. Where x 5, x value 5, put 5 over here. plus y equals to 7, where y equals to 7 minus 5, it gives y equals to 2. Therefore, x equals to 5 and y is equals to 2 answer. And my lessons, you may get sometimes negative answer, you may get sometimes fractional answer, no problem. Sometimes you may get zero value of any one variable, no problem. Okay, and my lessons, you know the idea to check the answer. Just put 5 and 2, value of x 5, value of y 2 in both equations. You know how to check the answer. 5 plus 2, 7, 5 3 is 15, 2 2 is 4, 15 minus 2, 11. Isko matlab we have got correct answers. Okay, let us solve the next problem. Plus y equals to 15, and the next equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 17. Okay, let's solve it. Here we have 3x plus y is equals to 15. Equation first. Then 2x plus 3y is equals to 17. Equation second. Okay, let us decide one more thing. Okay, if you want to eliminate x variable, what is the coefficient over here? 3. Here 2. Are the coefficient of x same? No. Can we solve directly? No. Y coefficient 1. Y equal 3. It means y variable also we can't eliminate directly. And I have already told you in some questions if we eliminate the x variable, solution becomes easier. Sometimes if we eliminate y variable, solution becomes easier. So I will solve it a little fast. Okay, here in this problem, if we solve by eliminating y variable, solution becomes easier. Because if we multiply the equation first by 3, here is y, if it is multiplied by 3, then product of y and 3 becomes 3y. Equation first by 3 they multiply by 3y by answer, and 3y and 3y by solving can be eliminated. So you question ma x variable लाई हटाउनु भन्दा y variable लाई हटाएर solve गर्नु सजिलो हुन्छ. So let us solve it. Multiplying equation first by 3, we get first कति छ 3x plus y is equals to 15. Let us multiply it by 3. It is 3 times 3x, 9x plus 3 times y, 3y equals to 15 3s are 45. Let us consider equation third. In my lessons, you can solve the same problem by eliminating x variable also. मैले के भनेको छु कुनै कुनै प्रब्लममा x हटाएर सजिलो हुन्छ, कुनै कुनै प्रब्लममा y हटाएर सजिलो हुन्छ. यो क्वेशनमा y हटाएर सल्भ गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ. ओके, कुन दुईटामा सेम हो? Here in equation second we have 3y, in equation third also we have 3y. यसको मतलब we do have to solve equation second and third. Solving equation second and third. Second we have 2x plus 3y is equals to 17. Third 9x plus 3y is equals to 45. Okay, let's solve it. Okay. We have here plus 3y, here plus 3y. Plus 3y, plus 3y, we can't cancel. And you have we should subtract. Subtract, we should change the sign of the terms of second equation which is written downside. Here is plus 45 minus 45. Ela मिलाएर लेख्नु plus 45 minus 45 plus 3y minus 3y plus 9x minus 9x. And plus 3y minus 3y cancel equals to here is 17 minus 45. 2x minus 9x. कति भयो minus 7x. Minus 7x. 17 minus 45. It is minus 28. Minus 28. You know, minus minus cancel. Where x equals to 28 by 7. Then 7 4s are 28. Where x equals to 4. After this putting x equals to 4 in equation, you can put anywhere. Okay, let us put in first equation. We have 3x plus y is equals to 15. Well, we have to put the value of x. How much? 4. 3 times 4. It is actually 3x means 3 times value of x plus y is equals to 15. After this, 3 4s are 12 plus y is equals to 15. After this, y is equals to 15 minus 12. Well, y is equals to 15 minus 12 gives 3. And after this, therefore, x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 3. Answer. And my listeners, you can do check answer by yourself also. By putting the values of x and y in both equations, if you get the both sides equal, then you have to say we have got correct answers. Okay, one more problem for you, my dear students. X minus 3y is equals to 6 and 3x minus 4y is equals to 1. Solution. Okay, here 4x minus 3y is equals to 6. So let us consider equation first. 3x minus 4y is equals to 1. Equation second. Oh, my listener, be careful over here. Okay, let us decide first. X or y. So if you want to solve by eliminating x variable, check the coefficient. What is here? X, 4 in the first equation. In second equation we have 3. Are the coefficient of x same? No. Okay, if we want to solve it by eliminating y variable, y here 3, here 4. But we can't eliminate either x or y directly. Now, so here, before it also we have already solved one problem. त्यहाँनिर सजिलो भएको थियो एउटा इक्वेसनलाई मात्र मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा कोएफिसिएन्ट ट्याक्कै सेम भएको थियो अब यहाँनिर 4 छ यहाँनिर 3 छ इक्वेसन फर्स्टलाई मात्र मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ x सेम हुँदैन अब यस्तो बेलामा युज दिस टाइप अफ आइडिया ओके लेट अस डिसाइड वी आर सल्भिङ बाइ एलिमिनेटिङ x भेरिएबल व्हाट इज द कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ x इन द फर्स्ट इक्वेसन 4 इन द सेकेन्ड इक्वेसन वी हैव 3 Ayo, 4x and 3x. Okay, x को कोएफिसिएन्ट लाई सेम बनाउँदै छौं. x कोएफिसिएन्ट 4 and 3. But go by this way. Do find LCM of 4 and 3. LCM of 4 and 3. You know whether LCM is 12. Coefficient of x 4 छ यहाँनिर 3 छ. दुईटालाई इक्वल बनाउन एउटालाई मात्र मल्टिप्लाई गरेर पुगेन. दुईटै इक्वेसनलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने भयो त्यही भएर यु दिस टाइपलाई के गर्ने यु दुईटा कोएफिसिएन्टहरुको एलसीएम निकाल्ने डु फाइन्ड एलसीएम अफ कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ x 4 and 3 that is 12 okay let us make the coefficient of x of both equation 12 इक्वेसन फर्स्ट को पनि कोएफिसिएन्ट में x 12 बनाऊ, इक्वेसन सेकेन्ड में पनि कोएफिसिएन्ट of x 12 बनाऊ। अब कतिले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने you have to guess। यहाँ कति छ 4x। इक्वेसन फर्स्ट should be multiplied by 3 किन यसलाई 12x बनाउनु पर्यो 4 3 जा 12x। अनि इक्वेसन सेकेन्ड should be multiplied by 4 4x 3 जा गर्दा 12x हो 3x 4 जा गर्नु पर्यो। यसमा the first should be multiplied by 3 second should be multiplied by 4। सो दुईटै इक्वेसनलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने पर्ने कन्डिसनमा यसरी गर्ने कोएफिसिएन्टहरुको एलसीएम निकाल्ने अनि दुईटै कोएफिसिएन्टलाई त्यति बनाउने। ओके इट मीन्स we should multiply first by 3 second by 4। okay let us multiply equation first by 3 we get first means 4x minus 3y equals to 6 we are multiplying by 3 multiply you know very well 12x minus 3 times 3y 9y equals to 3 6 are 18 let us consider it equation third again one more thing multiplying equation second by 4 by 4 we get second means this one 3x minus 4y is equals to 1 we are multiplying this by 4 okay 4 times 3x 12x minus 4 times 4y 16y equals to 4 ones are 4 equation 4 okay अब कुन दुईटा इक्वेसनमा कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ x सेम भयो त यहाँ नि थर्ड इक्वेसनमा 12x छ फोर्थ इक्वेसन पनि 12x छ इट मीन्स वी नीड टु सल्भ यो दुईटा इक्वेसन नाउ इट मीन्स आफ्टर मेकिङ कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ x सेम लेट अस solving equation third and fourth third कति छ यहाँ रहेछ 12x minus 9y equals to 18 fourth equation 12x minus 16y is equals to 4 we are eliminating x variable अब के चाहिँ गर्ने should we add or subtract यहाँ के छ 12x positive दुईटै प्लस छ क्यान्सल हुँदैन so we need to subtract यहाँ प्लस 4 so minus 4 and minus 16y plus 16y and plus 12x minus 12x then after plus 12x minus 12x cancelled अब यहाँ कति छ minus 9y downside left plus 16y it is plus 7y so 7y over here equals to 18 minus 4 14 after this y is equals to 14 by 7 7 2s are 14 while y is equals to 2 after getting the value of any one variable just putting y is equals to 2 in equation we have 4 equations in this problem you can put anywhere okay let us put in equation first we have 4x minus 3y is equals to 6 well we should put the value of y 4x same minus 3 times we have the value of y how much 2 3 times 2 equals to 6 well 4x minus 3 2s are 6 equals to 6 well 4x equals to 6 take minus 6 back plus 6 then solve the steps over here well 4x is equals to 6 plus 6, 12. Where x equals to 12 divided by 4. Where x equals to 4, 3 is 12, 3. Therefore, x value 3 and y value 2. Answer. So, my dear students, today we are reading how to solve simultaneous equation by elimination method. Before this problem, we solved two problems which were very easy. But when we are solving this type problem, यसको मतलब कुनै दुईटा इक्वेसनमा दुईटा इक्वेसनलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेर इक्वल बनाउने कन्डिसनमा बी केयरफुल. कुनै इक्वेसनमा एउटा इक्वेसनलाई मात्र मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा कोएफिसिएन्ट सेम हुन्छ. यो आइडिया लाउने हो. कहिलेकाहीँ x हटाउँदा सजिलो हुन्छ, कहिलेकाहीँ y हटाउँदा सजिलो हुन्छ. यो x हटाउँदा पनि दुईटा इक्वेसनलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने कन्डिसन छ, y हटाउँदा पनि दुईटा इक्वेसनलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने कन्डिसन छ. सो इन दिस कन्डिसन बी केयरफुल. कोएफिसिएन्टहरुको एलसीएम निकाल्ने, जति आउँछ त्यति बनाउने, अनि कतिले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ you have to guess by yourself. So my dear students, today this much for today. But my dear students, by looking this video, please try to do solve some problems by yourself. You can do solve some problems by yourself. You can do solve in your textbook also. And by looking this video, please try to solve this type of problem. I have written 4 questions for you. Please try to do solve. Do practice a lot. And thank you.